So the topic that we are going to talk today is about setup, trade control, and confirmation entry, which is with these three topics that you will be able to trade by your own self. Okay. And okay. So before we start, this is our topic, and okay, let's go for the first one, which is setup. So what is actually setup? Setup is where the place where are we going to enter our position, which is we have buy setup and then we have sell setup. Okay, we have buy setup and we have sell setup. So in setup, what do we need to know the most is the time frame. Okay, we need to know the most. Okay, before that we go to the component first, which is in setup we have buy setup and sell setup. Okay, which is buy setup is engulfing buy and engulfing fail to buy. Sell setup is engulfing sell and engulfing fail to sell. Yes, exactly. So the time frame that we are going to look for setup, actually setup wait. The first topic, which is setup and exit. Okay, so the time frame that we are going to look into in finding setup and exit is H4, which is just H4. We are going to look for H4 engulfing buy, H4 engulfing fail buy, H4 engulfing sell, and so on. Okay.
Okay, only H4, like nothing like a weekly, daily, and
yeah, no. There is no daily setup. There is no weekly setup. There is no H1 setup, or yeah, just H4.
Okay.
So before that, we need to learn about the movement. So setup moves like this, which is buy setup to sell setup, and then sell setup will be ended at buy setup. Okay. And after that, we are going to go for SOP, okay, which is step by step. So the first one is higher time frame, which is H4 needs to create EG or EF. That's the first SOP. And then the second one, okay, the first SOP is higher time frame, which is H4 needs to create engulfing or engulfing fail. And then what do we need to do after that is we need to mark the zone. Okay, we need to mark the zone. The one that we learned last night. Yeah, marking the zone. So that's why I say to you, marking the zone is very important. Okay, and then number two, we need to wait for the price to get into the zone. We need to wait for the price to get into the zone, or we can call it pullback. Okay, pullback. And then number three, we need to focus on the current market price, which is, we call it TMP. Yeah, TMP. And then this is the first one, which is setup and exit. We are going to talk about this.
Okay.
All right. So how it works, okay? So the question is how it works. Okay. The way it works is we need to look at by the theory, which is, let me draw it for you. Let me draw this for you. Okay, for an example, we have the buy zone of H4. And then we have sell zone of H4, which is if we want to buy, in the buy bias, what we're going to look at is buy setup, and we are going to exit at sell setup.
Okay.
Yeah, exactly. So, okay, the first SOP, higher time frame needs to create an EG or an EF. Okay, so right now we are talking about buy setup. So which is we need the buy engulfing, no matter it's engulfing buy or it's engulfing fail buy. Okay, the first SOP, we're done with it. So the second one, we need to wait for the price to get into the zone. Where is our zone? This is our zone.
Yeah.
Okay, we need to wait for the price to get into the zone. No matter it's going to the zone like this, in sideways, or just like this. But the SOP said we need to wait for the price to get into the zone.
Okay, 4-hour zone, correct?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then we have the second SOP. And then SOP number 3, we need to focus on the current market price, which is the price that we need to focus on.
Okay.
Which is CMP. Okay, which is CMP. So this is the theory of setup and exit. And we are going to execute a trade and so on after this. Okay. And the price going to go up again until here. And then same goes to the sell setup. For an example, H4 have sell setup here, and then the pullback and get into the zone, and we need to focus on the current market price.
Okay.
Okay, you understand it?
Yeah, understood.
So buy setup will be ending at the sell setup, and the sell setup will be ending at the buy setup, and keep repeating itself. Okay. So let's look at the chart. Let's look at the chart. Okay. As you can see right here, the one that I drew for you last night. Okay. Let's see. We go here. Wait. Let's look at the sideways. Okay. Right here. Okay. As you can see, this is our buy setup. Okay. The buy setup. The buy setup will go up until the sell setup.
Yeah, engulfing phase.
Yes. And before that, this this is the first SOP, and then pull back, get into the zone, and then this is the CMP that we need to focus on. Okay, understand it?
Do we not concentrate on this one as well? 1 second. This one, because this is also engulfing phase. So
yes.
Do we first wait for this one?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. After this. Okay.
Okay,
so,
but so this one, it became engulfing buy if the price was here.
Yeah,
if
yeah,
it
yeah.
doesn't react, then we wait for next zone.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. So, but you need to know the zone is just the zone. What do we need to know? We are going to learn about the trade control and how to entry after that.
Okay.
All right. So I'm showing you the movement of the price first. Okay. So as you can see, SOP number 1, number 2, get into the zone, and number 3, focus on the CMP right here.
Okay.
Let's change color. Okay. And then the price goes up until this sell zone. And then if the price is in the sell zone, what are we going to do? We're going to focus on sell. This is our CMP. And then the price goes down again. The price went down to this engulfing buy. And then the CMP that we need to focus on is this. And then went up again until this zone. It's not broken, okay? It's not broken.
Yeah.
So yep, we can still use it for sell, and then we focus here, and then went down again to this buy zone, and then focus on the CMP around here, and then went up. Okay, went up here. Look at this. It went up here and stuck at first because of this zone.
Engulfing phase.
Because of the engulfing field. And then as you can see around here, okay, the CMP that we need to focus on around here, and then went down, okay, and then went down and goes up again. Okay, sorry, we need to focus here, and then went down, went to this engulfing buy zone. You see it?
Yeah.
Okay, this is the cycle of the candlestick, and then went up again, stuck in this zone for sell for a while, and then went up because of this engulfing field. Yeah, this is our CMP. Okay, and then went up again. Okay, engulfing buy, and this is our CMP that we need to focus on. Went up again, and stuck because of the zone at the back, okay, around here, and then went down, buy zone. Okay, it keep repeating. Okay.
Yeah.
Do you understand? Is there any question?
Yeah. Yes, yes, I'm understanding. No questions for now.
All right, good.
Mhm.
So, we already learned about the SOP.
Mhm.
We already learned about the SOP. So the next thing that we are going to look for is we're going to look for trade control. So in this topic, what are we going to learn is quite interesting, which is in this topic is the mastermind of the trading. Okay, the market mover is here. Wait, give me a second. Oh my god, I still have trades that I don't close. Yeah, let it be. All right. So in trade control, what are we going to talk about is the first one is higher time frame setup, complete higher time frame setup. The first one. And the second one, we are going to learn about the roadblock. And then the third one, we are going to learn about re-entry. And then number 4, we are going to learn about types of setup. Okay, this is the thing that we are going to learn here. Okay. So let's move to trade control. Okay, trade control. Trade number two, trade control. So talking about the trade control, okay, talking about the trade control, the time frame that we are going to use here, the time frame that we are going to use here is M30, and sometimes it's on H1.
Okay.
Okay, so how about the movement? How about the movement? The movement for the trade control is still the same, which is buy to sell and then sell to buy. Okay, so we move to the SOP, which is we are going to continue the setup SOP. So number 4, what we're going to do is when we focus on the CMP, M30 need to create same EG or EF, which is if in the buy setup, M30 needs to create the same engulfing buy or engulfing fill buy at CMP.
Yeah.
You get it?
Yeah.
All right.
Nothing less than 15 minutes or anything like that. No, this standard we stick to 30 minutes.
Yeah, we are going to stick for M30, just M30.
Okay.
Okay, because M15, M5, and M1 we are going to use for the entry purpose.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Okay, to get a sharp entry and so on. Okay.
Okay, got it.
So, let's move to the theory. Wait, give me a second. Where is it? Okay. So when the price get into the zone, okay, this is the SOP just now. Okay, H4 creates engulfing buy. Go back, get into the zone, and then we focus on the CMP, right? CMP we focus on. CMP. Okay. This is SOP number 1, number 2, number 3. And then what about number 4? Okay, when we focus on CMP, M30, we need to change the time frame when we look at here. M30.
Okay.
And what the price needs to do is it needs to create the same engulfing, which is engulfing buy on M30. And if it create this engulfing buy, on M30, this is what we call trade control.
Okay.
Understand it?
Yeah.
Okay. And then the price is going to go up like this. And then go up back to the sell zone. And what the sell zone needs to do, the sell zone needs to create
M30 engulfing
M30 engulfing sell.
sell or engulfing sell.
Yeah, or engulfing fill. Yeah, exactly. This is what we call trade control.
Okay.
And then the price get into the zone again for entry purpose for the next topic, and then goes down. And what if at this current market price there is no engulfing buy? What will going to be happening is the price is going to break our zone.
Okay.
So the reason why the price is breaking our zone, our engulfing buy zone, because there is no SOP number 4. There is no SOP number 4. So that's why the zone that we are marking, the zone that we are already marked, will be broken.
Okay.
Do you understand it?
Yeah, yeah.
All right, so let's move to the chart. Okay, as you can see, this engulfing buy, right?
Yeah.
This engulfing buy is our setup. SOP number 1. Okay, SOP number 1. Number 2, number 3, we're going to focus here. Okay, number 3, we're going to focus here. And what time frame that we need to look in here?
30 minutes.
Yeah, 30 minutes. Why this zone got respected, like clearly because of this trade control. Do you see it?
Yeah, there's engulfing.
Yeah, there is an engulfing buy. The same types of engulfing are right here on H4, right?
Yeah.
It's going to go up. Okay, going to go up. Okay, so let's look more and more. What about this? What about this? What about this? Okay, as you can see here, there is an engulfing cell at first, but it's broken here, and it's being a engulfing fail, and the price get into the zone again. And this is the CMP that we need to look in, right?
Yeah. So I had one question here. So
Right.
are we considering 1 second, let me get this. Yeah. So are we considering this one?
Yes, this
Or
one.
are we this one, like this one was the
This one.
recent one?
Okay, this
Oh.
one is an engulfing cell for cell purpose. This zone is
Oh.
quite close to each other, so
Uh-huh.
that's why we need to look at on M30, which is it's going to buy or it's going to sell.
Oh, okay, okay, understood. Okay. Yeah.
At first, this is this sell zone, right? Goes up and we sell around here after M30 creates sell. And then it went down, M30 creates buy around here. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see. Okay, at first, you can see it here. There is M30 sell, right?
Yeah.
So that's why the price respected the zone.
Yes, and there's also
because there is trade control. And then when it comes to this buy zone, it creates a engulfing buy. So that's why it's respecting the buy movement after that for 450 pips.
okay.
So you understand it?
Yeah, yeah.
So let's see the failed zone. Okay, as you can see right here, there is an engulfing, wait, okay. This is an engulfing fail, right?
Yeah.
For sell, right? For selling purpose. And then we are going to look at this CMP. So if you look at here, when the price pull back into the zone, right here, pull back, is there any trade control for sell?
For sell, no.
Yeah, no.
Yeah.
So that's why.
Can we not make so this was the zone that we marked, and here we have this engulfing buy.
No,
So
no,
we,
no. This is not CMP. This is not CMP.
oh, okay.
This is the CMP after the pullback. Okay, when you talk around here, the price doesn't break yet.
Okay.
Okay, and then break, and then the
Got
pullback.
it.
So the failed zone was created here.
Okay, okay.
And
Yeah,
then
yeah. So yeah, I was confused that like once we marked the zone on 4 hours, now on 30 minutes the price came here and this made engulfing buy for us.
yeah,
So would we have taken this trade because we are in the zone and it
yeah,
matches?
yeah. We can take the trade if
Mhm.
there is. Okay, this is trade control for buy, right?
Yeah, correct.
But why this zone is broken? Because there is no confirmation entry.
Okay, yeah, okay. So okay, then I'll understand that interest.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
So when the price pull back, we are expecting for the price to go for sell
Yeah.
trend, but there is no trade control, so there is no sell thing
Yeah.
here.
Okay.
So you understand? So what
Yeah.
if when the price get into the zone, the price create an engulfing sell here? What will going to be happening after that?
It will continue downwards.
Yeah, it will continue downwards.
Okay, understood.
Yeah. So that's the reason why this zone was broken. This engulfing fail was broken. Wait, where is it? Where is it? Okay, this. Okay.
Mhm.
And then if you look at here before this, okay, we have the buy zone, which is our setup, right?
Good. Yeah.
Our setup. And then we have this zone, which is our exit, right? Understand it?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, good. So when the price get into the zone of buying, we are going to take the buy here at first, and then are we going to take sell? No, because there
No
is no confirmation.
confirmation.
There is no trade control here. So
Mhm.
it went up like continuing for buy for about 400 pips, 300 something. Okay, so you understand it?
Yeah, yeah, understood.
So let's move to our notes again. So like I said before, okay, like I said before, entity needs to create same engulfing or engulfing field at CMP. So I always I always tell this to my students, which is actually the chart is trying to speak to us. Okay,
Mhm.
it's
Mhm.
actually the chart is speaking to us. Wait,
Mhm.
wait, wait. I'm sending this to my group. Um, where's my exit? All right. So as I said before, the chart is actually speaking to us. Okay,
Mhm.
it's telling us which is okay where do the price is going, where it's going to go, where it's going to end, where it's going to stop, and so on. So
Mhm.
if you see here, I say entity needs to create same EG or EF at the CMP, right?
Mhm.
So back to what I've said earlier, chart is speaking to us. So it means when it create EG, it means something. And when it creates EF, it means something.
Yeah.
So when it creates an EG, the price is telling us that it gonna, okay, it's gonna it's respecting the zone. It's going to respect the zone. Okay,
Mhm.
it is going to respect the zone. And when it create EF, the chart said that it's going to reversing till the exit, which is opposite zone. Okay, so when we talk about respecting the zone, okay, when we talk about respecting the zone, no matter how much pip it is, but if it follows, for example, get into the zone and then M30 creates an EG, which is, we know when it creates EG, the price is going to respect this buy zone, is it?
Yeah.
Okay. And then it goes down and then it goes up for about 5 pips or 10 pips and then goes down again. Yeah. But this is what we could respect. It went up no matter for short or for long. This is the meaning of respecting the zone. Okay, no matter how much pips it is, because sometimes when the price goes up again, it can boom go down.
Yeah.
With just EG, so that's why we need EF. And but sometimes there is a situation like this. Just the price just create an EG and then just goes up, just went up to the exit. It depends on the confirmation entry. And it depends on the confirmation entry, on the roadblock, etc. Okay.
Okay.
So what if, okay, for an example, right? Okay, I'm going to draw like a clear one. Let's make it quite big. So what if this is engulfing buy? The price went down, boom here, and then we have an engulfing sell here. Okay, can you imagine it?
Yeah, okay.
Okay, this is an engulfing sell on M30 because right now we are just talking about M30, which is trade control. Okay, so when the price get into the zone, the price create a trade control. At first, it creates a trade control, and as I said, when the price created a trade control, what is gonna be happening after that? The price is going to respect the zone, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so respecting the zone, boom, goes up, and then it failed this zone. What is going to be happening after that?
It will continue up.
Yes, it's going to go up until the exit, no matter how long it is, no matter how long it takes. Yeah, it's going to reach the zone. Understand it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So how to identify if this zone is going to be respected or not? By looking on the entity. Yeah, same thing. Trade control, and yeah, EF, and then went down until the buy zone. So do you understand it?
Yeah, understood.
Okay, so let's see in the chart, like always. Let's see the chart. All right. So okay, let's see here. This is an engulfing buy, right? This is an engulfing buy. So when the price get into the zone, we need to focus on the CMP, and then we need to change the time frame to 30 minutes. Okay. And then if you can see here, there is an engulfing buy, which is, it tells us that it's the price is going to respect the zone, right?
Yeah.
Price is going to respect the zone. Oh, but there is no EF. Wait. I'm going to look for the price that have EF. Wait, let's try this zone. Okay, as you can see, this is engulfing buy, right?
Yeah. Was this not engulfing failed yet?
Sorry.
This one?
Okay, let's try this one. Yeah. Let's try this one. Okay, let's look at this one. Okay, this is an engulfing fail. And then where is our CMP? Can you mark it for me?
Sorry, where is it?
Where is our CMP that we need to focus on? Can you mark it for me?
This one.
Yeah.
On touch.
Yeah, this zone. If we want to buy, where is the CMP that we need to look at?
Buy.
Yeah, the buy one.
The buy here.
Yeah. No. In this zone, where is the CMP that we need to look for?
In the upper zone. So after this breaks, we will look at this zone only. That's correct.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Which is this is the one that you need to focus on.
Focus on, yeah.
Yeah, this one, our CMP.
Yes.
Wait. All right, our CMP, and then we go to M30, right?
Yeah.
We go to M30. As you can see, it creates an engulfing field, which means we already know that the price is going to go for buy until the exit, which is, where is our exit? Here is our exit. But it keeps failing the zone and keeps going up again. But yep, it went up until our exit, isn't it?
Yeah, correct.
Yeah, because of there is an engulfing field. And then this is our re-entry zone. We can re-entry. Okay, we can re-entry around here. We can re-entry around here. Okay, until the opposite zone. Okay, so now, do you understand that?
Yeah, yeah, understood.
Okay, let's see more. Okay, let's see more to make sure you are going to understand this like clearly. Okay, if you can see, this is an engulfing field, right?
Yeah.
Oh my God, just now I got scammed by the candle, you know? I got scammed by the candle, which is, you look at, okay, the EF right here, the engulfing field in this broker is right here, right?
Yeah.
And let's go to my broker. Yeah, there is no engulfing field right there. And it's not pulled back until this. So that's why I buy here and I hold it to make sure it to make sure it reach this zone, because around here there is EF on M30. So that's why I am very confident that the price is going to go up until here for about 200 pips. But it went down like crazy because of, yeah, this is the right zone.
Yeah.
Yeah. When the price
Actually,
get into the
after
zone.
yesterday's markup, I had this zone and I took that sell.
Yeah, okay.
Like the demo account, it is only demo account, but I think it is running about 300 pips.
Oh my God. Okay, when the price get into the zone, this is the CMP that we need to look in. And then we zoom in. Okay, there is a trade control, right?
Yeah.
There is a trade control. And then we can enter here, and then this is our re-entry.
Okay.
Another trade control, and this zoom was broken. Okay, and then it continued to dropping, and dropping. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh my God, I didn't sell just now. Oh my God. Okay, so and yep. So yeah, wait. Let's go to our notes back. Okay. Perfect. So far, do you understand that?
Yeah, yeah, I understood this.
Okay, good. So right now we are going to look more deeply into zoning, etc. The roadblocks. Okay. When we talk about the roadblock, there is two terms of roadblocks, which is number one is we use roadblock for we use roadblock for our first entry, okay, for entry purpose. And the second thing, we use roadblock for retracement entry. Okay, right. So okay, so let's go to the theory. So H4, like always, creates SOP number one, pull back, get into the zone, SOP number two and number three, focus on CMP. And then what is number four?
Number 4. Okay, 30 minutes needs to create the trade control.
Yes, exactly. Go down and then create an engulfing buy, trade control. And then for an example, we have like the roadblock here, which is, okay, sorry. It's kind of, oh my God, my drawing. All right. This is our roadblock. For an example, this is our roadblock. Okay, the red zone is our roadblock. So this is M30 sell zone. All right. So when the price pull back, okay, when the price pull back, and then create confirmation entry around here, and it went up to the top. Okay, went up to the, wait, before that, let me draw another roadblock. Okay.
Roadblock, on what time frame we see that?
M30 and H4. M30 and H1, sorry.
M30, okay.
M30 and 1 hour. So when the price reach the roadblock and the price reached at the roadblock, if there is confirmation entry here, the price is going to respect the trade control, the roadblock zone, which is the price is going to go down. Okay, the price is going to go down.
Okay.
And then to the same zone, which is our trade control zone, and went up again. Okay, and went up again. And for an example, the price break this roadblock cell. What will going to be happening? It's going to create an EF, isn't it?
Yeah, engulfing
so
fail.
If it creates an engulfing fail, we already know where the price is going to go.
Yeah, or to the opposite direction.
Yes, exactly. So we need to focus on buy, which is, yep, get into the buy zone, and then we buy here, and then go to the roadblock again, break the roadblock. For an example, we have another roadblock here. Okay, and the roadblock, if there is confirmation entry here, the price will respect the roadblock, and then went to our another EF, and then reach our sell zone, which is our opposite zone, our exit. So do you understand that?
Yes, yes, I understood. I had a few questions here on this
All right,
one.
go on.
So this one becomes engulfing fail. So and we would be expecting price to come here and do it, do go above.
Yeah.
So, but what if this engulfing fails and there is an engulfing buy here? So, do we still consider this zone to be valid?
Yeah, it's still valid. So that's why we need to learn the confirmation entry later.
Okay, got it.
All right. So as you can see here, you can do like this. Okay, you can you can enter your position like this. Okay, at first, this is our first position. Okay, for example, this is our first position. Okay, let me draw it. So how to box? Okay. This is our first position. Wait, change the color to purple. Okay, this is our first buy, and then we just hold the buy, and then went up. We just sell a little bit here on the roadblock, and then went up. Okay, at first we entry here, goes up, we sell here because of the roadblock, goes down again into the trade control, and then we buy again, and then it goes up, it went up, and then we sell it again, goes down, we buy again, went up, we sell again, we buy again. So the position that we able to hold is just right here, which is this one. All the buy zone we can hold, because we already know that the price is going to go to the opposite zone. Yeah, we can hold this one, we can hold this one, and we can hold this one. And the one that I take, which is 1, 2, 3, is actually the re-entry part.
Yeah, and this one will be the first main entry.
So do you understand it?
Yes, these are re-entries, roadblocks.
Yeah. And the one that I cross here is retracement, the one that we learned last night, which is retracement and continuous.
Yeah.
Okay, do you understand it?
Yes, I understood.
So let's go to the chart to make it more clear and fun. Okay. So yeah, don't worry.